Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check unlisted videos on YouTube. Let's get started. First, you need to understand what unlisted means. Unlisted videos on YouTube don't appear in search results, recommendations, or uploaders' public channel. They can only view by people who have direct link. You can go to the third-party websites. Some websites like noxininfluencer.com may display public and some previously unlisted video data for analysis purposes. Open your browser and go to noxinfluencer.com, and here in the search bar, select YouTube. Type the YouTuber's name and click their channel and open the Videos tab. Here, scroll down to see a list of channels' uploaded content, including public and sometimes unlisted videos that are still indexed. If a video appears as unlisted, you can access its link, copy it, or paste it into YouTube to watch directly. Important note: this method only works if the unlisted video is still discoverable via analytics tools or shared links. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.